once again, and this time I have a project to share with you which is fairly easy to implement but a lot of fun to play with. I'll be showing you how we can play any first person shooter game with nothing but a webcam, your hands and a tennis ball. So let's get into it. A little while ago, I came across this very interesting project where the guy uses a webcam to play Mortal Kombat. He utilizes a combination of CNN and RNN to identify kicks and punches from the webcam footage and translates those to the game to take appropriate action. Very cool idea indeed. Using this as an inspiration, I created a game controller that can play any first-person shooter game. First, in order to look around in the game, I am using object detection on a tennis ball. Based on its location detected on the screen, we can control the mouse to control our gun's aim. Next, to instruct the player to move forward in the game, I am using detection of my index finger. When the finger points up, the player moves forward, and putting the finger down again stops the movement of the player. And the third action supported here is shooting of the gun. Since both the hands are used up in aiming and moving, I am using the mouth open gesture to control shooting of the gun. The model used for object detection here is MobileNet in combination with single shot multi-box detector. It has been trained on various images of tennis balls, raised index fingers, and that of teeth indicating an open mouth. In terms of performance of the model, the detection of the finger and teeth seems fairly reliable while playing the game. The main trouble, however, is getting to aim the gun exactly where we want to, since the model runs at much lower frame rate than the game, and hence the movement of the mouse is jumpy and not smooth at all. Also, detection of the ball towards edges of the image is poor, making it very unreliable. But I feel this could be improved by tweaking the model to reliably detect objects a bit farther away from the webcam. I can see a polished implementation of this idea be a fun way to play FPS games. Alright, that's all for this video. The links to the code and the train model are down in the description below, so make sure you go ahead and check those out. If you guys managed to do something cool from the fork repositories, please let me know. I would love to know what you guys do with it. And as usual, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you share the video on other social media. Until next time.